Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, we shall solve question number 20A and question number 20D will be your SW. My dear student, today is our lecture number 29 of annual term and today's SW number will be 28. So my dear student, let us start our class. My dear student, in our class we shall solve with the help of graph. That means a set of equation is given. One is x plus y equal to 6 and another is x minus y equal to 2. We solve this equation by using graph. So let us start. Here notice x plus y equal to 6. This is first equation. For this reason we give here equation number 1. This is second equation, that means x minus y equal to 2, and this is second equation. I give here equation number 2. My dear student, at first we use equation number 1. So notice from equation 1 we get my dear students, we get the value of y in terms of x. As a result, x changes its position, that means y equal to 6. As x changes its position, then it will be minus. So y equal to 6 minus x. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now for various values of x we make a chart. That means here x and here y. That means we put the value of x and we get the value of y. So the value is y equal to 6 minus x. My dear student, notice at first we put x equal to 1. That means if we write 1, then we subtract 1 from 6 and we get 5. So 1 is the value of x and 5 is the value of y. I hope you have understood. Similar way, we put the value of x equal to 2. If we subtract 2 from this 6, we get 4. So value of x is 2 and the value of y is 4. Similar way, we put the value of x equal to 3. That means if we subtract 3 from 6, then we get 3. So 3 is the value of x and 3 is the also value of y. Again 5, if we put the value of x equal to 5 and we subtract 5 from 6 and we get 1. So 1 is the value of y. X equal to 5 and y equal to 1. My dear students, from this chart we get 4 points: 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 5 1, which are written as just like 1 5, 2 4, 3 3 and 5 1. My dear student, suppose 1 5 is a point and the first part is called abscissa. First part is called abscissa and the second part is called ordinate. Okay, abscissa and ordinate. Okay, I hope you have understood. Similar way, from equation 2 we get the value of y in terms of x. Notice minus y equal to 2 minus x. So y equal to minus 2 plus x. Okay, why? By how can we multiply both side by minus 1. If we multiply minus y by minus 1, we get y. If we multiply 2 by minus 1, we get minus 2. If we multiply minus 1 by minus 1, we get plus x. If we decorate, that means y equal to x minus 2. I hope you have understood. Just like for various value of x, we make a chart. That means we put the value of x and we get the value of y. Suppose at first we put the value, that means y equal to x minus 2. We put the value of x equal to 6. That means 6 minus 2. If we subtract 2 from 6, we get 4. Similar way, if we put the value of 5 in equation number, in this equation we get the value of y is 3. If we put the value of x equal to 4, we get the value of y is 2. If we put the value of minus 1 of x, then we get the value of y and it is minus 3. So from this chart we get another 4 points. These are 6 4, 5 3, 4 2, minus 1, minus 3. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall draw the graph. Here you notice in the graph paper we shall we have already draw two straight line. This is one straight line and this is another straight line. This is called XO x prime and this is called YO y prime. XO x prime is called x axis and YO y prime is called y axis. Now my dear students, we put the points of this equation number 1 and equation number 2. At first we point 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 5 on in the graph. My dear students, as in this first part we point the plus and plus sign. That means if 2, 2, it is placed in the first part. If the point is minus 2 plus 3, then this point is placed in this part. That means minus plus. Okay. And if the point is minus 2 minus 3, then this point is placed in the third part. If the point is plus 2 minus 3, then this point is placed in fourth part. Okay. I hope you have understood. Okay. Now I erase this. Now my dear students, we put 1, 5. 1 means abscissa. Abscissa is count along x axis. My dear student, here you notice there are a lot of small square. So along x axis and along y axis, we consider each small square equal to 1 unit. So first of all 1. For this one we count 1. Okay, then 5, ordinate 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called the point whose name is 1, 5. And next point 2, 4. So 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 4. Okay. Next 3 and 3. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Next 5, 1. My dear student, notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. In this place we write 1. My dear student, this is 1, 5. This is 2, 4, this is 3, 3, this is 5, 1. Okay? I hope you have understood. Now we draw a straight line and increase in both direction. Increase it in both direction. Okay. And this is called the graph of equation number 1. This is called the graph of equation number 1. Next we shall draw the graph of equation 2. Here at the point of equation number 2. Now we placed at first 6, 4. So notice, consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the abscissa of 6 and ordinate 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done. So first point is done. Next 5, 3. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3. 1, 2, 3, done. Okay. Next on 4, 2. So consider 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 1 and 2. This one. Okay. Next minus on minus 3. Notice minus on this time minus. This time notice this is minus plus and this is minus minus. That means we consider third part of the graph. That means notice minus 1. And minus 3. Minus on that means this one and minus 3, that means 1, 2, 3. Okay. This point is minus 1, minus 3. Now we add and increase it. This is the graph of equation number 2. My dear student, now you notice these two equations intersect at the point and the name of this point is A. The name of this point is A. The name of this point is A. Now we find out the abscissa and ordinate of the point A. Consider this point we find out. Notice 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the abscissa is 4. So the abscissa of A is 4 and notice ordinate 4 done 1 and 2 and the ordinate of A is 2. Ordinate of A is 2. So the point is 4, 2, and it is the required solution of these two equation, and it is the required solution of these two equation. I hope you have understood. When two straight line intersect at the point in a graph, then that abscissa and ordinate will be the solution of that pair of equation, my dear student. This is the graph. Okay. Now here you write along x axis 1 square equal to 1 unit, along y axis 1 square equal to 1 unit. Okay, I hope you have understood. And what is the name of this equation? The name of the equation, the name of the graph is this one. Okay. Okay, my dear students, now after do the graph, then you write this part. Notice x o x prime and y o y prime are x axis and y axis, and O is the origin. Let the length of a side of a smallest square of both axes be chosen as a unit. A unit means 1 unit. Okay, we put the points 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 5, 1 on the graph paper. Adding these points and extending the line in both direction, we get the graph of equation number 1. Similar way, we put the points 6, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 3 on the graph paper. Joining the points, we get the graph of equation number 2. Okay, which represent the straight line 2. Now, the two straight line intersect at the point A. These two straight line intersect at the point A. From the graph, we see that the abscissa of A is 4. The abscissa of A is 4 and the ordinate of A is 2. Therefore, the required solution is x comma y equal to 4 comma 2. So, the required value x comma y equal to 4, 2. My dear student, you can check it is true or false. Notice x plus y equal to 6, that means the value of x and the value of y. If we add these two values, then we get 6 and it is true. Notice here 4 and 2, if we add 4 with 2, then we get 6. So, left hand side, right hand side equal. Again x minus 2, if we put value of x equal to 4 minus 2, we get 4. So, left hand side, right hand side same. That means our equation is correct. The solution of our equation is correct. So, my dear student, this is our today's lecture, and you notice 20d x plus twice y equal to 1 and x minus y equal to 7. This will be your SW. You must do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school library in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm by your guardians or any other person. Okay, my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum. Thank you.